All right, Pete, do you want to continue in the gift guide theme here?
Do. Yeah, I talked about it once before, but I've been using this and I really, really like it. Now, the main reason I wanted it was for cleaning out the airplane, which I'm not sure it had ever been vacuumed since 1991. Possibly, but
It's fun.
till I got to it. But it's the Scosche PBJ2000 portable. Sorry. How did I get to there? There it is. All right. Looking on the wrong screen. It's the Scosche ScoVac cordless handheld vacuum cleaner and inflator, deflator, air duster, 4-in-1 small, high power rechargeable. We'll put the link in for Amazon. It was on sale last week. Right now it's at $80. Last week it was on sale for $70. So keep watching that. There's a $10 coupon in there,
There you go.
Yeah. So it's back down to $70. This thing is awesome. It's cordless. So that's really nice. Get crumbs and pet hair and all that stuff out as a vacuum, but super portable. I mean, it fits in a little case the size of my little headphone case that headset case that I carry for flying. Yeah, it's about the size of a large pistol or a small hair dryer.
Yeah.
Really? It's like a hair dryer with the heating element out. But here's the cool thing: it has cleanable, portable HEPA filters. So for vacuuming, but it does fast charging, but it also will do inflating. So it's got the little nozzles with it. If you need to inflate a mattress, because people are coming for Christmas and they're going to stay at your house, get one of those $70 air mattresses to fill up, and that's how you do it.
Love it. Love it.
Yeah, I really, really like this little vacuum and blower.